Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, good morning, Jamaica. I want to say, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself here. I have a situation that I want to share with the world. And just to let you know that I was overseas doing some construction work. And I have a little brother by the name of live in Rice. He used to operate bus from Brownstone to Rice. When I was overseas, he called me and tell me, say, he have a IS bus and his bus crash. So I can buy him one bigger bus. So I come to Jamaica the 1st of April in 2019. And the first move I make, I go to Dancehall and see a bus and I like it and I buy the bus and give it to him to operate for me, Brownstone Uchi. But the agreement was, he used to pay me 20,000 a day. So that kind $80,000 a week. And from me buy the bus, when I was buying the bus, he did have a road license when I'm going to transfer off of his next bus, off of next crash bus. And he tell me that if I put my name on the road and the title, the road license would have to process over. And I went to the man when I buy the bus from and explain the situation to him. And he said to me that all in all I do, I put up the receipt when I buy the bus for good, and before I go back overseas, I make him sign out the title and hand it to me. And we did that. He have my bus 3.5 months around Brownstone Uchi, and every time that I call him for my pay, he say, yo dog, I garage left 1 week, you know. It happened as I bring him in Brownstone and sign out the title. And I take my bus from him. And when I take my bus from him, he bring one policeman in James Avenue near Mr. Forbes. Report the bus stolen. When I show Mr. Forbes all of my documents I have for the bus, Mr. Forbes said to him, say, how come you come for we say the bus stolen or whatever? So he go back. And Mr. Forbes get a phone call, say, gunshot a fire in a Rice when he have to come back on the case. So Mr. Forbes come back the following morning and left a message saying if bring the bus on the station. Me and my landlord went to Mr. Forbes on the station and I left the bus in my yard. And when time I went to the station, show Mr. Forbes documents and Mr. Forbes say, understand see my bus. Wishing my landlord give him a talk also. And Mr. Forbes say, okay, I see you for your bus, so go and go do what you do. And at the same time I did have some tourists who come to Jamaica from England and all about to do some pick up for to bring them all around and so on. Mr. Forbes said, if I go on, I go with my bus. So I bring my bus in Falmouth, Chilani. My brother went to Falmouth police station with his road license and report the bus stolen. And bring police on my yard in Hague Settlement. And when I show the police and my documents, and the police asked him where is his receipt. And he went back to the Dancehall auto and tried to get a receipt from the man, the ownership that I buy the bus from. The man will respond to the mark down there. And the man called me and tell me, say, him come there look a receipt. After 5 months, he go there look a receipt. So I tell the man to call police. After I buy the bus, here's the documents for the bus. This is the fitness. This is the fitness for the bus. This is the insurance. And this is the registration. And this is the title. This is the title I'm sign out give me. The 17th of July. The title I'm sign out and give it to me. It happened as when I buy the bus from the man, after 5 weeks the man make a report and tell me that the engine a jam in a 5. My brother make a report and tell me say engine a jam in a 5. I make a report back to the man when I buy the bus from the man, give me back 100,000. I take it to swap the 2 engines in both bus. In both bus. I take the 100,000 to swap the engine in both bus. This is my receipt for the bus. This is two receipts I have also for the bus. This is the receipt for the bus. It happened as when he make the report in Falmouth police station and the police then ask him to go back to ask him for a receipt. Is that him go. So I bring the bus in Greenwood. In Greenwood to give a man to sell for me because I was gonna go back overseas. It happened as him go to back and get a different title and can use Baritone police and take up my bus. One man near Empalmer, here's the receipt. The man write a receipt, give me say it's a disputed property. And after 3 days, I over HN Hotel been doing some construction. Mr. Empalmer called me and tell me say give my brother the bus. After I write this receipt, give me say it's a disputed property. So I don't understand these laws where they have in Jamaica. You understand? Because he give me a receipt says a dispute property and then he give my brother the bus. Here's when the bus was up at the station. This receipt is when the bus was over the station. This brother where you see on the lights here, him drive my bus one day and lick it. And me take him photocopy to bring back to the police station. And to the insurance, I mean. This man, it was one of the men where we used to license the bus when the bus just by. And this is a criminal here. He is a criminal. He have the bus going Brownstone, watch and be weird. The bus that we have a green room, the top half is my bus. So be weird how you take this bus because you can meet in some problem if you take this bus. Anything can happen to you in this bus. Be weird. This is a bus named Top Half. This is when I bring it. This is when I bring the bus to wrap the bus seat them after I buy this bus. I bring it to one man in Rockabessa. One man named Alric to wrap the bus seat them. And this is a photo where he broke spring and he did one axle. So this is where I buy the axle today. Up at the mechanic name the mechanic. Up at the mechanic at Ochi. I forgot his name, but this is where I take the picture. I will give you back a report one time. And this one is when me wrap the bus seat them. I'm in another settee here up at the man place when Alric. When me wrap the bus seat them, I buy this piece of settee for him. And this is when my brother washing the bus. This one look one I did bring in Ochi. This one I rent a room for 9,000 in Ochi for him to doctor the bus. Is him washing the bus now. All you know say, me go. This is the day when I buy the bus. This is the first day when I buy the bus here. And this one, this picture you can see there, is when I bring the bus to wrap out in the front seat there. So I have all documents for the bus. You understand? This is when I take my twin them on the bus and tell them that is his bus. It's them bus, my twin them bus. And right now them can't go to school because my brother take the bus, a film bus. And me can't get $1 for the bus. This one, the same day I buy the bus, I lend him 430,000 to get back. Film crash bus the same day because he did just 2 months from Mandeville this crash bus here. And what really happened? He have a 7-seater ISIS also when me pay 57,000 to license and insure. My brother is a criminal. He have a ISIS when me pay 57,000 for license and insure. Plus this crash bus, me lend him 430,000 at Ochi police station to get back his crash bus. And now he can take up my bus, my highest bus here, his bus. And the law down straight to Jamaica. This one is his ISIS. This bed where you see on the ISIS here, I did have the ISIS a drive. And my little smaller brother, I would rent a room in a Ochi game for $9,000. So this is when my brother decides to work with him no more because when he gave me $28,000 when he make for the day, he give my brother $1,500. So my brother gone back to Clarendon and say not working with him no more. You understand? So my brother is a criminal. This is my receipt when I wire my money them to my account at Jamaica. This is 35,000 US dollar. And out of all this money, 35,000 US dollar. And out of all this money when I send to Jamaica, my brother scam me. You understand? Because I take the last money to do this business here and my brother scam me. This man is a criminal. This is the license plate for the bus when it was in white plate. I pay to insure and license for my card. This is the license plate that was on the bus. This is the first day that I buy it in the white plate. I have all documents for the bus. This here is my original key, this is for the bus. My original key when I get in an envelope for the bus. Him just have the next key where they have no rubber on it. And what really happened now, them say me to get a lawyer. This is all of my pay stamp now. This is all of my pay stamp now. All of my pay stamp on this. And what really happened, they say me to get a lawyer. And I get a lawyer and them try to put the case in a sentence bay. And in a sentence bay where them put the court, then give me the date on the 11th. On the 11th of February. And when I went to court last week, my lawyer said, them will tell me said them want to pay 200,000. My brother said he want to pay 200,000 up front and 50,000 a month for my bus. If it was your bus, how you want to pay me for my bus if it was your bus? And me now take 200,000 up front and take now 50,000 and I want back my bus. So me make the world know and see what go on. You know the world how the system corrupt. And when me go to court last week, then go tell me say it have to go to Supreme Court. And my brother have my bus around Brownstone Ochi every day and me and Pitney them can't go to school. My twin them a 5-year-old and them have to top from school because me not have no money. And my brother teeth me bus for me a depend on to make the future, you know, the future flow. You understand me? This boy I try to spoil up my reputation, you know, so me have to go back overseas. You understand? And I want my bus. So me telling you people be weird, don't take back this bus when you see it is a thieving bus. The boy I go look about the fraud documents and take up my bus. You understand? So me telling you don't take this bus when you see it. And you know go in pretty, my friend. You see me? When you don't take the bus and you get hurt. You understand? Thief. So me make the world know where I go on. You know watch this. Alright, thank you very much.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. This is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media. And this video shows up a man and he's saying that his brother stole his vehicle. And this person went on to show papers and try to explain as to how this had happened. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I could sit here and say, hey, you know what? This person wrong, that person wrong, or so on. You know what I mean? Yeah, I could do that. But viewers and subscribers, there's only one thing I'm looking at right about now. You see me? I only hope that above all of this ends in a peaceful way. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because, you know, sometimes things like these ends badly. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you see? And, you know, because sometimes it's the anger that builds up in persons out there, right? Now, I can't just say, oh, this person wrong and that person wrong, you know, because there's always two sides to a story. And I'm not saying that this person that is seen in the video explaining about the whole thing that had happened, you know, or the whole situation. You see me, I'm not saying that that person is telling a lie or anything. All I'm saying is that there's always two sides to a story. But anyways, me see this video on social media and some comments have been made about this video on social media, you know, and you know, some of the comments that have been made, viewers and subscribers, you know how it will be. You hear comments that, like, you know, family always do things bad some of the times, and family this and family that, you know, all different type of comments, you see me? And I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, alright? Yeah, and with that, viewers and subscribers, this is where I'm going to leave it, alright? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, I'm only keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Alright, yes, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.